Imagine this. One morning, the sky lights up, not from the sun, but from a nuclear detonation, hundreds of miles above our heads. Planes fall from the sky. Water systems fail. Your phone, your car, your pacemaker, all dead. This isn't science fiction. This is what an EMP strike could look like. And President Trump says he has the answer. But can it be done? Or is this another political fantasy wrapped in gold? Welcome to Future Forward, where we explore ideas shaping the next era of civilization. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment your thoughts down below, because your voice matters more than ever. The world is changing, and fast. New weapons are redefining what it means to be at war. Hypersonic missiles, orbital warheads, autonomous drone swarms. And here's the terrifying part, our current defense systems? They're built to stop old threats. ICBMs from North Korea, not spaceborne nukes from China or Russia. Let me ask you, what happens when the weapons of tomorrow meet the systems of yesterday? We wouldn't go back 100 years. We'd go back 1,000, says author and researcher William Fortune. That's the fear driving Trump's $175 billion vision. The Golden Dome that he says it's the ultimate shield. But is it even possible? Inspired by Israel's Iron Dome. The Golden Dome aims to be America's next-gen missile shield. Land, sea, space, all integrated. Intercepting threats before they launch. Watching the skies from orbit, with layers stretching from Florida to Alaska, sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth says it will stop anything from anywhere, even from space. But here's the plot twist. The cost. Trump says $175 billion. The Congressional Budget Office? Try $542 billion just for the space segment. That's like saying you'll build a Tesla for the price of a tricycle. Bicycle, but here's the kicker. Even a half-built system might still save millions of lives to SO what's standing in the way. Integration of multiple tech layers, insanely short timelines, an unprecedented price tag, and the risk of triggering an arms race. Some experts warn it could backfire, drawing new weapons development from adversaries like China and Russia. China says this turns space into a battlefield. But others argue they're already building weapons to reach us. So, isn't it time we built the dome to stop them? Ms. Bazilksik, defense analyst. It raises the cost of an attack and enhances deterrence. But what if we build it and it fails? What if the Golden Dome becomes America's next $500 billion ghost project? Or what if, just maybe, it works? The Golden Dome isn't just a defense system. It's a symbol that a shield against chaos, a gamble for peace, and perhaps the last great invention before the next great war. Can it be built? Only time and history will tell. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Should America invest in this sky-shielded future? Watch our next video, Inside China's Hypersonic Threats. Are we already too late? It's live right now. Like, subscribe, and join the Future Forward community, where tomorrow starts today.